Hello, welcome to Wat Palam School in the province of Nakhon Pathom. So, welcome students to our English class online. I am your teacher Airene. Okay, so today we are going to study about, or we will answer this question: what are you doing? Okay, so but before that, let's have a short review about our past lesson. Okay, so let's sing this song. Okay, let's review this song.
Do you like broccoli?
Do you like broccoli? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like ice cream?
Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like broccoli ice cream?
Do you like broccoli ice cream? Oh no.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Yucky.
Yucky. All right.
Do you like donuts?
Do you like donuts? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like juice?
Do you like juice? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like donut juice?
Do you like donut juice? Oh.
No, I don't.
Yucky. No, I don't. Yucky.
Do you like popcorn?
Do you like popcorn? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like pizza?
Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like popcorn pizza?
Do you like popcorn pizza? Oh no.
No,
I don't.
Yucky. Do you like bananas?
Do you like bananas? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like soup?
Do you like soup? Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Do you like banana soup?
Do you like banana soup? Oh. No, I don't. Yuck. Wow, very good. Okay. So, last week we studied about this. Okay. Do you like, number one, do you like eggs? It's up to you. If you will answer yes, I do, or no, I don't. Okay. So it means in the middle. Okay. Number two, do you like bananas? Okay. Do you like yogurt? Do you like peas? Do you like chips? Do you like coffee? Do you like watermelon? Do you like fish? Do you like cereal? Okay, so that's your homework last week. Very good. Thank you for those students who submitted their work. Okay, very good. Good job, kids. So today we are going to answer the question, what are you doing? Okay, so let's learn this song first. Okay, related to our lesson. Okay, what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? What are you doing? I'm walking. I'm walking. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm running. I'm running. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm jumping.
Jumping. I'm jumping. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm dancing.
I'm dancing.
Dancing.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm reading.
I'm reading.
I'm reading.
I'm reading. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm eating.
I'm eating. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm drinking.
Drinking.
I'm drinking.
Drinking. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm sleeping.
I'm sleeping.
sleeping.
I'm sleeping. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm putting on my shoes.
I'm putting on my shoes. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm putting on my hat. I'm putting on my hat. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm saying goodbye. I'm saying goodbye. Goodbye. Wow. Good job, kids. Okay, so that's our music, okay, for this week. It's related to our lesson. What are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? Number one, let's read the questions. Question number one. What are you doing? Number one, answer, I'm walking. I'm walking. What are you doing? I'm running. You see this one, the picture? What are you doing? I'm jumping. Number four, what are you doing? I'm dancing. Number five, what are you doing? I'm reading. Number six, what are you doing? I'm eating. Okay, I'm eating. Okay, number seven, what are you doing? I'm drinking. Okay, number eight, what are you doing? I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. Number nine, what are you doing? I'm putting on my shoes. I'm putting on my shoes. Number 10, what are you doing? I'm putting on my hat. I'm putting on my hat. Number 11, what are you doing? I'm saying goodbye. I'm saying goodbye. Okay. Now, so this will be your homework. You are going to read the sentences. Read the sentences, okay? We have 12 or 11. Okay, so we have 11 sentences, okay? Or the questions, we have the same question. What are you doing? Different answers with different answers, okay? So this is your worksheet. Okay, so we have, I'll show you the bigger one. Number one, swimming, skiing. Okay, number three, painting. Okay, running, shopping, sleeping, walking, dancing, talking, surfing, sitting, climbing. Okay, you are going to read these words also. Read also these words, okay? So, I think that's all for today, kids. Thank you for listening attentively in our lesson today. So, see you again next time. Goodbye.